Thutha wa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Peter Munya kunyagia ndeto agikuruhania seneta Kiraitu Murungi no uria marang'ethanira nake gituri-ini kia ugavana gukorwo akihuthirwo ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi riu ndeto ici ni iyuhitie ngwatiro. Agitetera Kiraitu augite Munya niguo ye naguo tondu ndari na tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere kuri andu a Meru na ndari na mundu wa kurutithania wira nake na nikio aratwarithia na mbere propaganda icio.
The biggest challenge Munya has is his poverty of ideas. Even his slogan at Raingo is a cattle restaurant, right? Yeah, right. So we don't want cattle restaurants, leading Meru County. It will be a disaster. Him accusing me of being a project of William Ruto is really missing the point. He just wants to show that him is so big. So who is he working with? He's not working with anybody in Meru. He's just working with hooligans.
Augite Munya ni muyedi na ndari gitio na mundu ona umwe. Mieri ino ya Kiraitu yukite thutha wa andu aria kurerikana ni arumiriri yake gukorwo makihinga barabara ya Meru guka Nairobi niguo kuhingiriria mururungano wa Munya kuria arari athie Nkuvu kuhingura thoko. Arurungani acio marakorirwo magicina tairi cia ngari na kugoithia miti barabara kuri mathaa-ini ma thinacara na nuthu cia rucini no maabitha a ugiteri maramagayukania kuria riu Munya areganite gukorwo akinyita itemi mururungano-ini ucio.
You cannot now come to pretend to define me. The people of Meru, the people of Kenya define me. They know who I am. I'm a man of peace. I'm a man of development. I'm a man of some ideas. I'm a man of vision, of ideas for this country. And indeed, I was part of the team which crafted Vision 2030 for Kenya.
Munya akoretwo akiuga Kiraitu arahuthirwo ni Ruto niguo gugathatia kioneki giake gia gukahuranira utongoria wa bururi mwaka-ini wa 2022. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Maina, Kihumo.